Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a back office visit of a safe list that I use. It's called Trafficg. We'll go ahead and log into it. It's a very responsive safe list. You surf for credits. You can go ahead and look at your main sites. These are the sites that I have right now. These are the credits that I have allocated. Okay. And I just want to take 1 minute here to get my little tool up here that makes things a whole lot easier to use. Just give me 1 second here. There's my guy right there. Okay, that's my little dot. Be able to follow along a little better. Okay, and here we go with this is where you allocate your credits. These are the credits that I have from surfing. If I want to increase the credits, you can actually, if you wanted to highlight them, and you can put 20 in there if you wanted to. And you just hit save changes and it locks it in. So, and then we'll go ahead back here. Or you can just go the arrow up, and what it'll do is, as you can see, it increases your credits. We can increase some credits and use save changes. This is worldwide. And this basically is where you surf for credits. You go in here, and you go ahead and start, and there's a counter right there. It's usually 11 seconds for a free member. You can join free, and we're going to go back to my account. And then it's pretty sure that if you join and upgrade, and here are the upgrades. 1 month, you can upgrade for $6 a month. It's a little cheaper if you go 3 months. It's $16. So instead of 18 per month, or I should say 6 per month, which would be 18, it'd be $2 cheaper. It'd be 16. So if you upgrade for a little more, I think it's $28 for 6 months. So just basically do the math, and it's a little cheaper if you buy the upgrades, a little further out. But you can buy like 1 month, and you'll have no problem. Trying it out, see if it fits into your advertising scheme. Okay, so we're actually going to get down here to main stats and kind of show you where the ads are at a site. Okay, so you'd put the website's name right in here. You'd put the URL, whatever URL you were, what's his name, advertising, and the interest channel. You would go and you would put anything like internet promotion. You could put it for worldwide, give a brief description of your ad, and then a directory category, pick what you want. It could be internet promotion, something in classifieds banner, search engines. And then eventually when you're done with that, you go ahead and add this site. And then what that'll do is that'll actually bring it up, and it doesn't take long to get it approved. It'll turn green. And then that's your site that would be, and then you just allocate credits to it, and then it'll start promoting. These are your visits that you would be getting to your sites. We're going to go ahead in here, and you have the banners, as I explained before with like SafeList. You have the banners. These are a couple banners that we have. So what we're going to do is we're going to physically add a banner in here. So of course this is the banner URL. So I have it kind of set up in here, and this is my banner URL for this site that I want to promote as a banner. Copy, and then you go ahead and Control V, as I said, and that's it. And then you want to target. I'm pretty sure that's our target, but we can go and check to see what our target is. Um, and that was wrong. So we're going to have to go back, go out of here, take this out, delete it, and we need a target for uh, Trafficg ad bar, and which this is it right here. As I said, this is Notepad, and you can go ahead and put all your URLs in there, kind of label them so you know what you're working with. And you want to copy this and close that, Control V, and make sure you back it up. It looks like it needs to be backed up a little bit here. Okay, and then you want to save the banner, and you're looking for it to work. Okay, so there you go. This is your banner. Okay, and I do know in this site that it has to be, it's pending. It doesn't take long for them to approve it, as you can see these up here. But in the meantime, we have looks like 127,000 banner impressions that are available. So what we'll do is we'll put, as I said, this is how you can just put it in, and then you want to click Save Changes. Okay, and these are the clicks that you get. It'll show whenever one clicks on your banner. This banner is now being approved. Okay, they're looking at it to make sure that it's not offensive or anything. I've already allocated the banner impressions to it. So basically what I would do is then, I'd move on to the other things. What else they have here? I know they have free classifieds. I've put a couple ads in here. Um, you could actually put a classified ad in here for maybe a link that you're maybe promoting. Anywhere you can promote, you just never know if someone's going to sign up and see your site and sign up for it. So that's basically, but there's a lot of tools in here. You can go in and look. As I said with the safe list, there's just so much to search out. This is a very responsive safe list. It's worldwide. You will get clicks from different countries all over the world. Well, I hope this video, I don't want to take too much of your time, but I hope this video helped you out in just exploring the back office of this. And the links will be in the video if you wish to sign up for it or implement it to get your traffic that you need. This will be just many sites that you'll use to get your sites out there and get eyeballs on your sites is sort of the way they say it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll see you again. Bye.